Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you what is the process of tagging people on your post. It could be a personal accounts and professional accounts. In this video I'm going to show you what is the process and how you can actually do that. Let's launch the Instagram app first. For example, let's create a brand new post. Let's click on the plus sign at the lower center of the screen. Now we want to select the post. In our example, we're going to use this picture over here of the new Ferrari LaFerrari. Let's adjust the actual contrast, click next. Now this is where you have a special function which it says tag people on it under the caption folder. You want to click on tag people. Now the place where you place your finger, it's where the tag will appear. We hit on the car itself, and now we're going to look for the actual account we're going to tag on. In our case this is Ferrari, so we're going to move the tag at the place we like. It can be in the front, it can be by the wheels, it can be by the logo, by the emblem, right? And underneath guys, you're gonna see the list of all the tags. For example, if we add another tag, click again on the picture itself, and let's say we add Lamborghini, right? And there we have a two. As you can see over here, we have a two tags underneath, as you can see on our folder list. Let's say we want to remove the Lamborghini because we made a mistake. All we gotta do is to click on the X down by the list and Lamborghini will disappear. This is how simple it is to include tags on your posts. For more videos like this guys, subscribe and come back for more.